So what's going on, guys? Matt here with Droid Reviews, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the tail lamp of the Volkswagen Scirocco. So these steps will actually work on the Volkswagen Polo, the Jetta, the Vento as well, because I do have a Vento that I own. And the process is basically the same as the Scirocco. It's basically just opening one wing nut and the whole lamp comes out. So it's very simple, but I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to remove the tail lamp and also the socket on the tail lamp. So without further ado, if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, do hit that subscribe button and also enable notifications so you get notified on the latest videos which I post. So without further ado, let's get right into the tail lamp removal of the Volkswagen Scirocco. Right guys, so once you've got the booth open, you can see there are two flaps here in the carpet. So there's one cut out here, another one on the other side. So I'll be doing only one side to show you guys because they are both identical. So the first thing you will want to do is you want to remove this piece of carpet right here. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Okay, once you got this piece of carpet out, give you a closer look on the inside. You can see there's this wing nut right here. So that's the only thing that's actually holding the lamp. So I mean, it's super simple as compared with like Japanese and Korean offerings. Volkswagen has really made it very simple and easy to take apart the tail lamp. If you do want to replace a bulb, replace a whole headlamp or something like that, you do not have to fiddle with any screws. This is one wing nut which you can actually remove with your hand. So you can see what I'm doing right here. So it may be a bit stiff if you haven't removed it in a long time. So you just have to twist it a couple of rounds. That's what I'm doing right here. You can see it gets easier. You can even use a flathead screwdriver as well. As you can see, this is actually a flathead screwdriver cutout. So once you have done that, you just remove it. That's what I'm doing right now. So this is actually the wing nut, the only screw holding the tail lamp in place. Once you've done, put that to the side. You can see some grounding wires here as well, but you do not have to meddle with that at all. Alright, so let me prop up the camera and show you guys how to remove it from the outside. So let's remove it from the outside. So once you've got the wing nut open, all you need to do is just pull it from the inside. You see the tail lamp coming off. Give it a very light cut. Here you can see the whole tail lamp just comes apart just like this. Of course, there is a wire harness which I will be showing you guys right now. So right here is the wire harness. You can see right here. So you do have to pinch these clips to actually get it removed. So you can see right here I'm actually pinching it. Once you pinch it, you can actually pull it off and then the whole tail lamp just comes off. So let me do that and be right back. Alright, so let me give you a closer look at the inside of the lamp. And you can see right here, this is where the socket goes, right into this part right here. And basically it's pretty sealed up. Of course, there's a way to actually remove it by removing the seals. I've seen people do it on YouTube before. However, this is just a removal video, so I will not be opening this lamp to actually change out the bulb because the tail lamp is basically working just fine. And to reinstall it, you just reverse the steps. First you plug in the connector right here, and then you slot it in just like so. Install back the wing nut and you'll be good to go. So basically it's a very simple, less than 5-step procedure to get the tail lamp removed. Alright, so this has been a very quick video. I hope you guys like this video. If you do want me to do more tutorials like that, just subscribe to this channel and also give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video.